Which artery is most commonly used to measure blood pressure? Answer, the brachial artery. Blood pressure cuffs are placed on the upper arm over the brachial artery. What's the main purpose of the alveoli in the lungs? Answer, exchange gases. Alveoli allow oxygen to enter the blood and carbon dioxide to leave. Which lab test measures blood sugar levels? Answer, fasting glucose. Fasting glucose checks baseline blood sugar for diabetes screening. What is the universal donor blood type? Answer, O-negative blood lacks A, B, and Rh antigens, making it safe for most transfusions. Which bone is the longest in the human body? Answer, the femur runs from one's hip to knee and supports body weight. Which cranial nerve controls smell? Answer, the olfactory nerve, CN1, sends smell signals from the nose to the brain. Which organ produces insulin? Answer, the pancreas releases insulin to regulate blood sugar. What is the normal respiratory rate for a healthy adult? Answer, normal adult breathing is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. What's the first sound heard when taking a manual blood pressure on a patient? Answer, the first tapping sound marks systolic pressure, known as Korotkoff phase 1. Which electrolyte imbalance can cause muscle weakness and cramping? Answer, hypokalemia. Low potassium disrupts muscle and nerve function. What does BMI stand for? Answer, body mass index, BMI, compares weight to height to assess body fat. Which heart valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle? Answer, the mitral valve, which prevents backflow into the left atrium. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Answer, cerebellum. The cerebellum fine-tunes movement and posture. Which infection is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Answer, tuberculosis, which is a contagious lung disease spread via airborne droplets. Bonus, what is the abbreviation for tuberculosis? Type your answer in the comments. What's the normal range for adult systolic blood pressure? Answer, 90 to 120 millimeters of mercury. Healthy systolic BP is under 120 millimeters of mercury. What type of joint is the shoulder? Answer, ball and socket. This joint allows a wide range of arm motion. Which vitamin helps the body absorb calcium? Answer, vitamin D aids calcium absorption for bone health. Which white blood cells fight bacterial infections? Answer, neutrophils are the first responders to bacterial invaders. Which organ filters waste from the blood to make urine? Answer, kidneys remove toxins and balance fluid levels. What's the medical term for high blood pressure? Answer, hypertension, which increases the risk for stroke and heart attack. How many questions did you get right today? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more Knowledge Gauntlet trivia. Thank you for watching.